I'm Dr. Parimala Devi, practicing obstetrics, gynecology and colposcopy in Bangalore. I'm one of the senior consultant of south part of Bangalore. The today's session by USV, they want healthy food or the cuisine prepared by Dr. team. I'm just going to show you, Dr. Parimala Devi is going to show you a ragi pudding or ragi ganji, which is a wholesome meal for a evening or in the morning also you can have it. It's something like ganji we say in Kannada, where we use coconut, the kacha coconut, fresh coconut, and also ragi. This ragi is nearly about 4 hours we have put it in the water. Now we are going to take out the water, strain it, and then put ragi and coconut and little bit of good, organic good also you should use. Actually this good is common good, that is jaggery and ilachi. All this we are going to grind in the mixie and then we have to strain. Whatever the fluid, the strained liquid comes, that will boil, and we can add again if you want some milk also, or as it is it will be very healthy and it will give a very good calcium and iron, and it is one of the food which is usually given to the kids also when they are growing, and also for the elderly people. I would say this ragi ganji is one of the wholesome food for menopausal women, actually women who really need calcium, iron, and they cannot digest this mudde, the balls which are made out of ragi. So we can do this ragi ganji freshly instead of preparing it from the atta, which the hittu which we bring from the shops. If you don't want to use jaggery, then you use salt instead of jaggery. That also will give a very good taste. Or you still want to add something else, you can add the majjige, the chas or the buttermilk to the same and drink. So this is ragi ganji, the wholesome food to increase the calcium and iron for the elderly people, even for the younger and other people, especially the calcium rich and iron rich. Thank you so much. Every day you want to eat something healthy, then what you want to prepare? You really want something, a wholesome food which can be prepared easily and which is very good. One thing what I depend on and what I tell my friends is the ragi ganji. Ragi ganji is, that is freshly prepared ragi ganji. We have ragi malt available, we have ragi hittu available, and we have ragi tari, we say ragi nalla they will immerse it in water and they will dry it and make a powder, and that's a little cumbersome. Requires really some dedicated family members to do that, to dry it in the sun and to make the powder. Whatever grandmother and all used to do is little difficult. So what I have found over the time is, I used to give lot of out of ragi hittu, I used to give to my children ragi ganji who are big now. They used to drink lot of ragi ganji. Now my granddaughter also is drinking. This one, what I am showing you is the freshly prepared ragi. This is I had kept it in water for nearly 4 hours, and now I have taken out of the water and strained it and kept it here. This is little bit of good. This good also is organic good, actually bella, organic good. Little bit of ilachi. If you want salt also you can add, or little bit of good and little bit of salt, you can both, you can mix up depending on your taste. And the coconut also has got lot of immunity power. The coconut oil and coconut pieces boiled in water, and the water to be taken, which is been told by a lot of these seniors in the health field, nutrition field. Even coconut has got lot of immunity, and many people use the coconut in lot of dishes. We have just grounded it in the mixie and strained the milk of ragi like this. Because of the coconut, it is looking so white. It is no milk is added in this at all. It's only coconut, cardamom and the ragi, which is grounded and strained. See, this one we are going to boil now, and completely continuously we are going to stir it. That time we are going to add whether you want good, that is jaggery, or salt. I add a little bit of jaggery also, little bit of salt also. It tastes very good. And then after boiling, when it 3 to 5 minutes, once it boils, then we are going to make it lukewarm and drink it. If you keep on boiling it and condense it into a very small amount, it can become a burfi, solidifies also. After you put it over a plate with ghee smeared, it can become the what we call it as pudding, or whatever we say, ragi pudding. So this is what is ragi ganji, which is freshly soaked in the water and then prepared, not from the atta which is brought from the shop or anything, which is very healthy, which will fill your stomach. And you know that ragi is very rich in calcium and also iron, and it is going to take care of your bone health, especially menopausal women. It is very difficult to prevent the aches and the backache, everything. So even though you are taking calcium, but this as a natural supplement is very good, and you will like it as one food of the one time, like for the night or the day, depending on as a breakfast also. So let us boil it and see and how it comes out, and then we are going to have it. Now you can see, like we are stirring all that which we have grounded in the mixie, that is the ragi, coconut and ilachi. It is boiling and we are continuously stirring, because otherwise it will make small clumps. And we are going to add the good, whatever necessary, like, or you can add salt also, depending on the taste what you want. This is organic good actually. So stir it for 2-3 minutes, because it's already so much immersed in water, soaked in water ragi, so no need of boiling too much. If you want to make it a burfi like or something like a halwa like or pudding, then you can keep on condensing. We just want to drink it like ganji and finish the food, the dinner. Okay, kids also will like this. Some people add up actually majjige, chas or buttermilk and salt after boiling. They don't add good. They will boil that ragi with little coconut, and buttermilk will be added afterwards along with little salt. They can take like that also, mixed with the ragi and coconut, the grounded mixture. You can see, looks very yummy, isn't it? It is not looking black, it's looking white. Very nice. So this ragi ganji along with one udina happalam or something will make a wholesome meal for you. So the ragi ganji and kashayam, the both are having their own nutrition power. This is kashayam tea and this is the ragi ganji. And we are ready to have it now. Okay, and I thank the very dear friend Bacha of the house, Tikima Pradhan, for having helped me in grinding and also recording this video. Thank you, Tikima. Love you. And we all have a good health. Take care. Be safe. Be at home. And stay healthy. Stay alive. We'll see each other very soon.